Hi, I'm Chris from Sky. If you've upgraded your Sky box or replaced your existing Sky HD box, this video will show you how to set it up. First, check that your package contains the following: your Sky HD box, your remote control with 2 AA batteries, 1 HDMI cable, and 1 power cable. If anything's missing, just let us know. Next, you need to turn your old box off at the mains before pulling out the power cable. Remove the SCART or HDMI cable that's connected to your TV and carefully unscrew and remove the dish input cables from the back of your Sky box. Be careful not to bend the thin copper wire sticking out of these cables. Lastly, unplug the telephone line from the box, then take out the viewing card, as you'll need that for your new box. Now it's time to set up your new box, starting with the dish input satellite cables you just disconnected. It doesn't matter which cable goes into which port, but if you've only got one satellite cable, connect it to dish input 1 and tighten until the cable's finger tight. Plug the pink end of your new HDMI cable into the pink socket on the back of your new box. Then plug the black end into an HDMI port on your TV. If you don't have an HD ready TV, you can use a SCART cable instead. Next, insert the power cable into the back of the box, then plug in at the mains and switch on. Open the flap on the right hand side of your box and insert your viewing card with the Sky logo facing up. Then switch on your TV and make sure it's on the right input for your Sky box by using your TV remote. Leave your new box switched on for at least 3 minutes, then pop your batteries in your new Sky remote and press the Sky button. The light on the front of the box will turn green and a message about your router will appear on the screen. Press select on your Sky remote, then look at your router. If it has a WPS button, press and hold the button for 2 seconds. Then, within 1 minute, just press the WPS button on the front panel of your Sky HD box. The wireless light on the front of the box will flash, turning solid when the connection's been made. If your router doesn't have a WPS button, press the services button on your Sky remote and use the arrow buttons to scroll to settings on the top navigation menu. Press select, then use the arrow buttons to scroll to network and press select again. Choose connect with password using your Sky remote and press select. Choose your wireless network from the list and press select. The network name can usually be found on the back or the base of your broadband router. Enter your case sensitive password using the keypad on your remote, then press select to connect. Once you've connected your box to your broadband, you just need to activate the channels you subscribe to. Turn to channel 106 and follow the on-screen instructions. Press select to pair your box to your viewing card. This normally takes just a few seconds and shortly afterwards your channels will be available. You can also activate your channels online using your Sky ID. To check that your new Sky HD box is set up correctly, turn to channel 108. If you have an HD subscription, you should see Sky Atlantic HD. If you don't have HD, you should just see Sky Atlantic. Finally, if you only attach one satellite cable to the back of your new box, you may need to activate single feed mode to use your Sky Plus service effectively. Simply go to our website and follow the instructions online. I'm Chris from Sky. Thank you for watching.